In this video, you'll learn about MailChimp's new automation tool, the Customer Journey Builder. MailChimp's Customer Journey feature helps you build dynamic, automated marketing paths for your contacts. You can create a journey map with multiple starting points, branches, and unique actions so each of your contacts has a personalized experience with your marketing. But before we get into the specifics about customer journeys, let's first talk terminology. A customer journey is an automated route that consists of different interactions a contact will trigger as they move through the workflow, carving out their own unique path based on what they do or don't do along the way. A visual representation of all the possible paths a contact can take in a customer journey is called a customer journey map. Each map has a starting point, the event or action that adds a contact to a journey. And journey points are the rules and actions that follow a starting point in a customer journey. An action is a type of journey point that tells our system to perform a specific task, like send an email or add a tag when a contact reaches it in their journey. How and when a contact moves along a set path is determined by the rule. The specific starting points, actions, and rules that you set for your customer journey are based on your marketing goals. To build your journey, you'll choose and arrange these elements on a customer journey map. Each customer journey map can have up to 3 starting points. For example, you could have one starting point that adds contacts who are added to a specific group, and another starting point that adds contacts who buy a certain product. If a contact meets either condition, they'll be added to the journey. To learn more about all our available starting points and how they work, check out our guides and tutorials. After you add a starting point, you can configure it further with a filter. Filters let you be more specific about who will start a journey. You can add up to 5 filter conditions to add contacts that best fit your customer journey's purpose. After you choose your starting points, you'll then add journey points. There are 5 actions and rules that you can add to your journey map to do all the work in your workflow, which are available in the side panel of the Customer Journey Builder. The if-else rule enables you to split contacts down one of 2 branching paths based on conditions you choose. You can include up to 5 conditions for your contacts to meet. The wait rule prevents contacts from continuing down the path until they meet a condition that you choose. You can include up to 3 wait actions in one journey map. You can also choose the delay rule, which prevents contacts from continuing down the path for a period of time that you choose. You can also add or remove a tag to contacts at different points along their customer journey, and send your contacts an email that you design to fit your marketing needs. Depending on your plan, you can turn on your customer journey after you're satisfied with the design for your journey map. Any contact who matches a starting point condition will be added to the workflow, and when a contact reaches a journey point action or rule, MailChimp will automatically do the work for you. For example, let's say you create a customer journey that includes the starting point signups, the rule delay for 1 week, and the action send email. This means that any contact who signs up to your audience will receive an email after a 1-week delay. On the Customer Journeys page, you'll create, view, and manage your customer journeys and other automations. To access this page, click the Automation dropdown and choose Customer Journeys. If you've built a single email automation or classic automations, you'll also see them on this page. Customer journeys have the label Journey. We also display a label to indicate your journey or automation status, such as draft, active, or pause, so you can quickly tell at what stage your workflow is in. That's it. To learn more about the Customer Journey Builder and how to create a customer journey, check out our guides and tutorials.